Ready?
For the 3 to 4 over girls and over boys, we will have 2 laps. 2 laps, 1 round, 2 laps, 1 round. Lap 6 will have their podiums. Okay, for the 3 to 4.
Watch out! Faster, faster, baby, run fast, run fast!
Lucas Bocablo, Rayu Jaro, Caden Kikerinda, Juan Pablo Becurio.